Hey, I'm Taylor, I'm mortgage broker at Birdie Wealth. I'm a new father of a 1-year-old daughter. I'm a partner to my girlfriend Laura, a good friend, loyal, approachable. I think that's why I'm a good fit with Birdie Wealth.
I am a new broker at Birdie Wealth. I am a sister. I am a fur mama.
So I started about 12 months ago with another business and wasn't doing too many loans there as I was working at another job, and joined Birdie Wealth in February of this year. So I've been full-time broker for about 7 months now.
So I've only been a broker for about 3 months, but before that I was very loyal to iouMZ Bank for 12 years.
I do like a bit of both, however I'd say a morning person. I'm always up early and in the office probably first most days of the week.
Night, yeah.
I think just helping people and guiding them through what's probably one of the biggest achievements they make in purchasing a property, and being able to be there with them each step of the way.
My favourite type of buyer is probably a first home buyer. I really like, being the hero that can answer all the questions and, help people achieve their goals.
Would have to be Alphabet Street.
I got married at Somersault Restaurant, Johnny Hughes. I love loaf.
Blackwoods.
Drook Park.
Take your time, don't rush into things, understand all your options that are available to you and make an educated decision.
Ask all the questions you need to your broker. No question is a silly question. Be comfortable in the decision you're making. Put a budget together so you're going to be able to handle those repayments, because it's a lot, for your first home.
Just reached out to Nathan originally and it felt like a really good fit with who I am as a person. I think the company and myself share very similar ethics around work and things like that, so that's probably why.
So when I was looking at where to best place myself as a broker, did a lot of research, really liked everything I saw online about Birdie, and then just started stalking Nathan.
Doing the research on the application and finding the perfect fit for the client. Sometimes they come to us not knowing that there's something out there that's a fit for them based on their scenario, but being able to pass on the good news regarding a lender fit.
Obviously settlement. Settlement is the best part, because it's not so much about the loan, it's what you're getting with that loan, it's the house. So being able to celebrate with my clients, and see them moving in is, the best part.
With Birdie, I think it would be growth for me personally, working under some really awesome brokers that are already here, and just, becoming more experienced with lending and understanding more of credit.
Smashing it. I don't know. I just want to do well. I'm only 3 months in, so there's a lot to still achieve.
Kylie M. Around 12 years now. Oh my gosh, the people and the bosses. Night, because I like sleeping. Mornings, I'm actually all the time, like I'm bubbly in the morning and it makes people sick. I love the people, and I love when a purchaser purchases their first property and I'm able to celebrate with them, because it's such a big commitment. Make sure you've got your finances in order. Check properties, look around, go with your head, not with your heart. Completion, being able to celebrate with them and tell them congratulations, and also the sad side of someone owning their home forever and being able to say goodbye. Just being better at my job and learning more, and the people, being around the same people.